Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I would like to show you how to repost a post on Instagram story. Let's get to it. Open your Instagram app on your phone and then choose the post that you want to repost on your story, and I'll just go with this one. And after we choose the post that we want to repost, we can click on this share button. Then you have to choose add to your story right here. Just click on it and wait for a moment, guys. Alright, and here is the post that we want to repost to our story, and you can add tags by clicking on this button, and you can also put sticker or link by clicking on this button. And after that we can click on your story to add this post to our story. Alright, and wait for a moment. And let's check it together in our story. Okay, and this is the post that I have just reposted on my Instagram story. Okay guys, that's how we can repost a post on Instagram story. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.